In this video, I will show you how to get TikTok algorithm to push your videos. The first thing to focus on is viewer retention. Grab attention within the first 2 seconds by starting with the most interesting moment or strong hook. Avoid long introductions since viewers are most likely to scroll away if the video doesn't get to the point quickly. Next, optimize your videos for TikTok search. Say your main keyword naturally within the first few seconds of the video so TikTok's auto caption can recognize it. You can also add that keyword as an on-screen text using TikTok's text tool. Keep your captions short but include relevant keywords. Add 3 to 5 hashtags using a mix of broad niche and trending hashtags when they're relevant to your content. Avoid using unrelated hashtags. Next, you want to create content that encourages engagement. Educational, entertaining, or relatable videos are more likely to receive likes, comments, shares, and saves, which can help increase your video's reach. You can also improve watch time by editing your video at fast pace. Remove unnecessary pauses, keep each clip engaging, and consider ending your video in a way that naturally loops back to the beginning. Most importantly, post consistently and create content around topics your audience is interested in. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.